ওয়েলকাম টু পিএ টিউটোরিয়াল। পিএ টিউটোরিয়ালে তোমাদের সবাইকে স্বাগত জানাই। টুডেজ টপিক ইজ স্টোরি টেলিং থ্রি লিটল পিগস।
Three little pigs. Listen and enjoy this story. Once there were three little pigs, Sonu, Monu and Gonu. Sonu lived in a house of straw. Monu lived in a house of sticks. And Gonu lived in a house of bricks. One day, a big bad wolf came to Sonu's house. He said, "I will huff and puff, and I will blow your house down." So he huffed and he puffed and he blew the house down. Sonu ran to Monu's house. The wolf came to Monu's house. He said, "I will huff and puff, and I will blow your house down." So he huffed and he puffed and he blew Monu's house down. Sonu and Monu ran to Gonu's house. The wolf came to Gonu's house. He said, "I will huff and puff, and I will blow your house down." So he huffed and he puffed, but he could not blow the brick house down. It was very strong. The wolf went away, and Sonu, Monu and Gonu lived happily together in the red brick house. I hope you have enjoyed the story. আশা করি ভিডিওটি তোমাদের ভালো লেগেছে। যারা এখনো পর্যন্ত আমার চ্যানেলটি সাবস্ক্রাইব করোনি তারা প্লিজ সাবস্ক্রাইব করো। কিপ ওয়াচিং। থ্যাংক ইউ।